In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to add your business address on Snapchat Map. You can simply make your business visible on Snapchat Map in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your Snapchat. Then head into your Snap Map. Tap on the settings icon right here. On the settings page, scroll down onto the last option of Suggest a Place. Enter your business name first. Tap right here to add its exact address. Then after select your business category. Add hours your business operates right here. Then also add your business website if you have one. Lastly, upload photos of your business right here. Click on Submit and your business details will get submitted to Snapchat support team. When verified, your business will show up on Snap Map successfully. That's how easy it is to add your business on Snapchat Map. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.